pioneering the techniques and technology that promise the hope of healing for over 20 years. Spine specialist, Dr. David McCord. After seeing patients suffer with excruciating and debilitating spine pain, Dr. David McCord saw a great need for developing new surgical treatments. Conventional surgeries and lifelong drug dependency did not deliver the quality of life Dr. McCord wanted for his patients. So he explored the possibilities of better treatments, techniques, and technology. One of his early renowned achievements was helping perfect the flexible disc cage design in 1993 that is today standard practice all over the world. Pushing past the status quo has paid off. Dr. McCord's insight is highly prized across the world, and he has been a guest lecturer and guest surgeon across the globe. Why does Dr. McCord succeed where others have failed?
I mean, I got my life back. I can't tell you how much that means to me. I mean, I honestly can't. I would tell anybody that.
I'm a walking billboard for Dr. McCord.
Never dreamed I would play golf, especially after having 4 discs removed and my back caged. Not only am I playing golf, I'm playing well. I work about 60 hours every week now.
You know, at 60 years old, I've got a brand new back. My back's better now than it's been for the last 20 years.
5 weeks later, I was out dancing and having a great time at one of my best friend's wedding.
My life was just restored.
We all have a pain tolerance for what we can handle. And then last year I got to the place where I said, okay, I've got to do something. I had tears in my eyes half the time because I was in such pain.
The lumbar disc had just turned me into almost an invalid.
I had gave up on life because I didn't know it was anything else, and I had told some of my friends, I said, if I got to live like this for another 25 years, I said, don't even want to live. I dealt with pain for 17 years of my life. I was on the verge of losing my wife, my kids. I even got to the point where I was ready to lose my life. I was ready to take my own life.
Dr. McCord has the benefit of an MRI machine that is not a reclining machine, but one where you can sit or stand, because that's where my discomfort was. It was not so much sitting down or lying down, it was always in a standing position.
The best MRI is going to be one that you're in an upright position, because that's when the gravity's pushing down. I mean, again, I'm no expert, but it made sense to me because my only way of getting out of pain was laying down.
Immediately when I woke up from surgery, I knew that some of the pain was gone, the nerve pain was gone.
When Dr. McCord fixes you, it's fixed. The first surgery was 15 years ago. It's still holding fine.
You're going to have to fight for everything to get your health back. And the best way to do that for me was to fight through Dr. McCord to get my surgery done. And that's what happened, and now I'm able to walk again.
I understand what it means to not be able to pick up your kids or your grandkids. I've been there before. I understand what it means to not be able to work or not feel like working because you're in such pain. All I know is I'm so grateful that I met Dr. McCord.
I have no idea where I would be today had it not been for Dr. McCord.
Dr. McCord believes the key to effective treatment begins with a complete and accurate diagnosis of spine problems. Conventional recumbent MRIs can miss the source of pain because spinal pressure may be relieved when lying down. Dr. McCord recognized revolutionary upright MRI technology can often reveal hidden pressure points, pinches, and abnormalities. As his diagnoses became more accurate, treatment outcomes became more successful. The upright MRI was such a crucial and indispensable diagnostic test that Dr. McCord became the first and only spine surgeon to bring upright MRI technology to Tennessee.
You've had surgery, it's failed. You've had another surgery, it's failed. You've been sent to pain management where your life is essentially over because you're a legal drug addict. Consider coming to see me. I'll take the time, I'll sit with you, I'll go through all of your studies, I'll get to know you, and sometimes there's an answer. There is hope.
Through better technology, better techniques, and better treatment. Dr. David McCord is the hope for living a pain-free life again.